In this video, you will be guided through the whole evaluation procedure of quantitative allergen test strips using the RIDA SMART App Allergen. The RIDA SMART App Allergen is the new innovative software solution for the quantitative analysis of our allergen lateral flow tests and paves the way for a new digital era. In this video, we show the installation process, the quantitative evaluation of test strips, and the app's connectivity via the RIDA SMART Universe. Install the RIDA SMART App Allergen via the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then open the app. If you already have a user account for the RIDA SMART App Allergen, log in using your username and password. Otherwise, first click on Create Account and choose a username, email address and password. In the next step, select your country and enter your company name. Then confirm that you accept the terms of use and privacy policy and agree to receive information about news and offers. Finally, click on Create Account. The installation is now complete and you will be taken to the app's Welcome menu. After performing a quantitative RIDA Quick Allergen Quant Lateral Flow Test, there are two options to evaluate the test strip. First, evaluation can be carried out using the RIDA Smart Box. The mobile device ensures stable lighting conditions during the test analysis. The RIDA Smart App Allergen can then be used on any Android device. Alternatively, evaluation can be performed using a verified Android smartphone. Information about verified smartphones is available on our website. The following materials are required for the evaluation: RIDA Quick Allergen Quant Test Strips, RIDA Quick Quant Evaluation Kit, RIDA Smart Box with any Android device or a verified smartphone as alternative, and the latest version of the RIDA SMART App Allergen. Via the RIDA Smart Box menu item, select whether the evaluation should be performed using the RIDA Smart Box. The connection between the RIDA SMART App Allergen and the box is then established either via the access point or via Wi-Fi. The icon in the upper right corner of the RIDA SMART App Allergen indicates that evaluation using the RIDA Smart Box is activated. A green status means that the connection to the RIDA Smart Box is active. To evaluate using a verified smartphone, deactivate the use of the RIDA Smart Box. The RIDA Smart Box icon in the upper right corner will then be hidden. To begin evaluating the test strip, start the measurement in the Welcome menu. First, sample information needs to be entered. Specify user, sample ID and supplier details. In this video, we demonstrate the quantitative detection of gluten in a food sample using the RIDA Quick Gluten Quant. In the second step, enter the lot information for the test kit by scanning the certificate of analysis or by selecting the information that has already been scanned. Then select the application. In this example, a food sample is analyzed. Please note that different applications have different limits of detection and limits of quantification. Third, take a photo of the sample for more detailed documentation. This is optional. In the next step, place the test strip into the test strip holder of the RIDA Quick Quant Evaluation Kit. The arrows on the strip should point toward the narrow end of the test strip holder. For evaluation with the RIDA Smart Box, insert the test strip together with the test strip holder into the drawer of the RIDA Smart Box and close it. Now start the measurement. The RIDA Smart Box takes a photo of the test strip. The data is then transmitted to the RIDA SMART App Allergen and is then evaluated. For evaluation with the RIDA SMART App Allergen in combination with a verified smartphone, cover the test strip and test strip holder with the RIDA Smart App cover of the RIDA Quick Quant Evaluation Kit and start the measurement. A live camera image appears on the smartphone display with a frame. Position the smartphone above the RIDA Smart App cover so that the frame aligns with the cover. Tap the camera icon to take a photo of the test strip. The RIDA SMART App Allergen then performs the evaluation. Afterwards, you receive information about the allergen content in the sample, as well as other test-specific details, such as user, date of evaluation, product and lot number, sample ID and application. You can also add notes about the test procedure. You can download the full test report to your Android device or share it directly as a PDF or CSV file. Back in the Welcome menu under Results, you will find an overview of all previously performed tests. You can view and review individual results and download or share selected tests as detailed or summary reports. Both report types contain all relevant and test-specific information. In addition to export options via the RIDA SMART App Allergen and smartphone, you also have access to the cloud-based data management system RIDA SMART Universe. You can log in using the same credentials as in the RIDA SMART App Allergen. If an internet connection is available, results are automatically uploaded from the RIDA SMART App Allergen, giving you an overview of all tests, regardless of which device they were performed on. You have full control over your results, anytime, anywhere. With our overall solution in quantitative allergen analysis with lateral flow tests, we support you from testing to data analysis and data management, helping you to remain flexible in your daily testing routine.